Hello everyone, this is Prikam Shah. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. So, in this PySpark video series, this is our seventh video, and today we will learn how to read and write nested JSON file. Okay. So, before going to that, I'll show you what is nested JSON. So, I know it's a little bit complicated. We'll take it easy. Okay. So, this kind of data format of nested in normal JSON, we have key and value pair. But here, under this key and value pair, there is another object. And under this object, there is another key and value pair. You understood? So, this is called nested JSON file, nested JSON structure. So we'll do the hands-on, so we'll get to understand more detail. So let's go to our workspace. So I have already created one new notebook and renamed it Read and Write Next. Okay. And also attached cluster. Created one new cluster and attached my this notebook. Okay. So I have already shown you in my earlier video how to create the cluster and how to attach this your notebook. Okay, so in community server, the cluster used to get detached and also terminated with uh, 1 to 2 hours running in ideal state. Okay, so we need to once again create our cluster. Okay. So I have already shown you in my earlier video. See the video in second. We'll get to understand. Okay. So I have for reading the JSON file, I need to first import the JSON file in our database file. So this database file system, how to enable the database file system, I have shown you already in my video series. Okay, this is the in this video series you will get to know. Okay, so and I have already imported this file, this nested JSON file in PDFs. Okay. So how to import it? I have already shown you in my earlier video. This goes. So this nested JSON file is already imported. Now we will try to read the file. Okay. So for saving the time, I have already written the code. So first, for this kind of nested JSON, we need to define the schema. I'll show you first the schema. The reading is the same like the others, but main thing is we need to define the schema first. So what is our file? So first we need to define the schema for the nested object. This our nested JSON object is name. Here name is not a key, name is a key object. Under that there is a key value here. F name John, L name this. Okay. So first we need to define this schema. Okay. Here I have already defined. So first I have imported the library. Okay. This structure type, this function we need to import. Okay, and also the struct field. Okay. For importing this, you need to import PySpark.sql.type import stuff of it. So this schema is using for just to this one. And for the whole JSON, now we need to make our schema as we used to do earlier. Okay. So the ID is okay, integer data type, structure is salary, structure name is salary field it is integer data type. For the name field, data type will be this scheme, this name scheme, whatever we have constructed earlier. Okay. So there is one another key value here. Department is string as like that. Okay, there is now we'll try to read the JSON. I have imported the code. Okay. So this part is nothing but let's go to here. So go to your imported file, copy it, paste it within the cell, within the inverted comma. Okay. And you need to mention the multi-line is true. I have already mentioned this why we are doing this multi-line is true in my earlier video. So please go through that. We get to understand. Okay. So schema already I am defining our main schema. We need to define here our main schema. So now, print the schema, you will get to understand what will be the mouse. Okay. So I have here displayed also with the block setting. Will the different okay. So now run the cell. Okay. Our data frame is here already. ID is integer, salary integer, name format integer, structural object. Okay. Under the structural object, there is even it means string, Okay. Department is string. You can see clicking this object is getting opened and the values are okay. So in the show method also, the table is coming from John, comma. So this is the main thing how to read the message setting. And for writing it also, you need to mention you need to use the write method, write object from Spark dot write dot JSON. Just mention the part wherever you need to store. And suppose I need to store it in A. Mention the part. Okay. So already I have mentioned the schema here. So during the writing time, you don't need to specify anything. Okay, we'll just do it. I was mentioning here past to keep because of our FMG is I'm mistaken. So now we're putting it here, another cell, and the Spark job is successfully done. You can see it is completed. You can go to view it from here. So it is done. You can see 1 out of 1 successfully done. Now you can go to the EBSS, game file, game file, and see. So, on file. Okay. So this is how we can read and write our nested JSON files. Okay. So for now, is enough for this video. Okay. We'll see the next activities in our upcoming videos. Okay. For now, please stay tuned with our channel, and please subscribe our channel and support us. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Please do it. Your support is our big thing for us. Okay. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, I'm telling. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.